Hey guys, we're live at 10:17, where it looks like you've been sitting for a very long time. Sorry guys. Uh, we got 1 gram of gold by Gary Bleach. I got 10 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Sorry for the wait. 1 through 10, you got to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. There's a 4. I'm going to roll again. There's a 5. We are good to go. Good luck, guys. Ryan, round 1. Brandon, 2. Ryan, 3. Brandon, 4. And our winner is Scott Singer in at number 3. Congratulations, Scott. CYYKTX. Scott Singer in at number 3 is the victor. And I am done at 10:18. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.